percentages welcome for your speaker, Sarah Centrella.
So I'm going to push you to dream, hopefully bigger than you've ever dreamed ever in your life. And what I want to do is I want to put a little pin in this balloon and I want to burst that bubble for you. And I want you to start to see what is truly possible for your life and hopefully a way that you've never even considered. I want you to identify what your future dream life looks like. The more you allow something to exist, what happens? It starts to expand, it starts to grow. And out of that came a time in my life where I had nothing to lose. And these are the 8 things that I did in kind of sequence and together that changed my life. The very first thing I began to do was I allowed myself to dream.